So guys, we got something special in the mail today. It's the Galaxy Tab S4, and I actually got this on eBay for 330 bucks. Now, there's a reason why it costs so cheap. He actually listed as broken. I don't know why he listed as broken, but he listed as broken, and it said broken because it has a Google lock on it. He said he can't get past it, so he lost out on so much money because he didn't do more research and he couldn't pay $3 for a file that maybe he didn't find the website. I don't know, but I know I got suck. But I feel like we're gonna have a different result. But it came in the USPS box with a UPS packaging, so I thought that was strange. But we got to get into this. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pass it in this video. Let's go ahead and take it out of here and wait a second. Is this another one? Oh my god, you remember the episode of SpongeBob where they had like all those boxes just in one box? Like, okay, that was weird.
Another in here somewhere. I don't have time for this. I got it.
But I think we got it now, so let's go ahead and get it to here. Wow, this is hard. And here we are, guys, the Galaxy Tab S4. I wanted this so bad. We finally got it, man. Wow, this thing is cold, but wow, it's looking nice. Tuned by AKG, Samsung logo here. We got the camera, obviously. This is the whole tablet. So yeah, he said there's like almost no scratches on here. I don't see any scratches so far, so let's go ahead and turn this thing on. And there we go. So it vibrated. Galaxy Tab S4 secured by Knox. So that's our Tab S4. And I heard somebody say that we don't get the Galaxy skin anymore. That was just over in December. So we got to see about that. But it doesn't come with an S Pen either. So I actually ordered an S Pen. And I think I'm going to get the Samsung keyboard cover. I don't know yet because like I think that's going to make it a lot better once I get it. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all real quick that it's got the Google lock on it. Yep, so there we go. So we got the Google lock on there. Let's go and pass this thing. So step one of all this is we actually got to put this in the bootloader. So let's go ahead and turn this thing off. All right, so I'm actually in download mode. I actually took a little bit more research than usual. So I had to press and hold the volume up and down and then plug in the USB cable. So now we got it in here. Let's go ahead and flash this. So what we got to do is flash this thing called a combination ROM on Odin. So we're going to go ahead and hit start here. And now we just wait for it to go ahead and do everything. So you see like a little progress bar right here and on the computer. So we just got to wait for that. Alright, so it just finished up here. So the tablet's turning back on here. So now it's in this thing called a combination ROM. That's why I see all this extra info here. It's not rooted or anything. It's just in this combination ROM. I think Samsung made it. So now we gotta wait for this power up. I think we gotta reset it though. Wait, maybe not. Okay, so we didn't have to reset it. So yeah, you see it's in this like weird system right now. So it's still Samsung OS here, but we're not done yet. We still got to reflash like the official software. Alright, so what I actually went ahead and did was I actually went into the settings and reset the whole tablet again. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and we're gonna see if that FRP lock's still on. Man, would you look at that? FRP lock off. So we're good now. All we gotta do is flash the official software and then we could just use the tablet like normal. I don't know how he didn't figure this out, but I mean, we got a tablet for 330 bucks just for having a Google lock and no S Pen. So that's pretty plug. But yeah, let's go ahead and just flash this again. So we're going to go ahead and hit start here. So we're going to just go ahead and flash the official software and then we're going to be good. All right, y'all. So I just went ahead and flashed and everything. I reset the tablet again. So now we're going to see moment of truth. And one thing I want to say about this new Samsung bootloader, like on the Note 9 and everything, I don't like how big that Samsung logo is. I don't know if it's just me. It's just a small annoyance, but still. Like, I liked it when it was smaller. I'm just putting that out there, but let's go ahead and see if this thing works. All right, y'all. Tablet's on. Moment of truth. Let's see if we passed it. Oh my god. Guys, we really just got into it, man. We really just got a Galaxy Tab S4 for 330 bucks because the dude didn't know about a combination ROM. That is so plugged, guys. We really just got this thing for 330 bucks. And now we got to go ahead and set this up. I'm going to do some videos and everything on this. And if you actually have this problem, I'm going to go ahead and make an XDA post about it. Like most likely, if I don't, there's not going to be a link down below. But if I do, there's going to be a link down there. And I'll leave a link down below to the eBay page that I bought it from if it even pops up for you. So yeah, that's the Galaxy Tab S4, guys. So that's the 64 gig Wi-Fi only Tab S4 in black. Man, 330 bucks, man. Now I got a new tablet. Let's just hope I don't slip on some ice and break it now. So yeah, that was pretty much it, y'all. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this, but thanks for watching. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Peace out.